Radar Intelligent Vehicle Safety and Alert System. Myself, Mohammed Umar, Mona Prasad Sadasivam, Raprasad Gokli and Abdul Akash will be presenting on this topic. So the main motive and main reason for this project is as a lot of lives have been passing by and a lot of lives we have been losing due to accidents is due to drinking and driving and a lot of other reasons. Due to which we are making sure that the accidents can be prevented and also be detected before the person goes through it. So the work plan based on design thinking. So the phase one is empathy, where the problem statement will be taught and also what are the possibilities of solution that can be done will be taught and how much the problem is affecting society will be understood. So we will research about a problem statement of how the accidents have been affecting the families of India and etc. And we will select the sensors and microcontroller. So the phase 2 is defined, where we'll buy the components and test each sensor separately, where the alcohol sensor comes into use, where the eye blinking sensor also comes into use to prevent any person from fainting or from any dizziness of the person's any issues. And the phase 3 and 4 are ideate, where the core are integrated and sensors with the ESP board, where all the codes are all together combined and isolated into the Arduino board. And phase 5 is the prototype, where we'll build a model based on the prototype that we have understood and created. And the last phase, that is phase 6 and 7, that is the testing, where the entire thing that we have created and maintained will be tested and make sure to make it successful and work it in real life thing.
Start.
Okay, empathy of this project. Nowadays, many accidents are caused because of drowsiness, drunk and drive. Sometimes they can lose their lives because of road accidents. In this, sometimes some accident cases are either not prevented in time or they are sometimes take too late to report for emergency. That causes lose lives. So define to avoid this, we are using alcohol sensor because of it will detect consumption of alcohol. Eye blink sensor it detect drowsiness of eyes. Accelerometer it detects sudden incident something's happened. It will indicate. GSM and GPS model used for sending current location and sending notification to the SOS. Then ESP32 microcontroller is the main microcontroller to control
this. To enhance road safety with the real-time prevention and monitoring. So we used the simple concept like he said. Alcohol sensor, eye blink sensor and other sensor. We use GSM model, but GSM model requires a 2G SIM. We can't afford a 2G SIM because nowadays up to 5G came. So we use like GPS tag. It sends notification via Telegram. Every 30 seconds it sends the situation of like a driver and detect reduce drunk and drowsy drive through sensor analysis. It enables rapid emergency response with automatic accident reporting in middle range. We implement in budget-friendly cars because like high-end cars have these features. So we implement for all ranges of the cars.
So prototype. So what we have done is we have assembled every components like ESP32, accelerometer, alcohol sensor, GPS modules in a breadboard with help of connecting wires. So we are going to see the live demonstration of our project. So the components which I have used are like alcohol sensor, GPS module, ESP32 microcontroller, and accelerometer for monitoring. So first we need to give the power supply to the components. So I'm plugging it in the laptop. Either you can plug in laptop or you can use supply through power bank. So then we need to connect our ESP32 with our Wi-Fi module. So we are using a personal hotspot from the mobile device. So after connecting it, the ESP32 sensor turns on. So messages and alert will be sent to the Telegram bot, which is in this mobile application. We can connect users with the Telegram bot ID. So for every 30 seconds, the messages will be received in this Telegram bot. So like lastly it was like 2:10 p.m. So after 30 seconds, the message will be telecasted here. So next. So the alert messages will be displayed like this. So it will come with an caution symbol like alert, vehicle sensor triggered. So the location will be marked by the latitude, longitude points, and it will also show the vehicle's movements, and if the alcohol sensor is activated, if any person consumed alcohol, the values will be generated in micrograms, or else if it will be 0. IR sensor will detect the eye movements through blinking. So if we search the location from the given details, we can get the location details like, see, we have searched the location in Google, so we are getting a location from the Google Maps. So this is the current location of the incident triggering area.
Start.
So future implications. So we have only developed a basic model of how the actions are occurring in this component. So in future, we are trying to integrate with Google Maps, so we can get the exact location from the incident area. The location's value might change according to the areas. Like if it's an open area, we can get the clear location. If it is a closed area, the latitude points might change or vary according to the network. So next, now it is a base model. So we are planning to implement it in a full body mechanism, that is like a demonstration model with integrating wheels and motors in a board. So where we can check through the vehicle's movements when the driver is driving the vehicle after drunken drive or drowsiness. So we are also planning to enable rapid response, emergency responses in middle and budget friendly cars. So this model is already implemented in high-end cars, like the cars which cost more than 50 lakhs, because those luxury cars require more safety compared to other middle range and budget friendly cars. So the conclusion is that by implementing this system, we can majorly avoid accidents which are occurred, and we can also prevent and access the incident areas in a very fast manner.
Thank you.
Thank you.